number one reason why you can't finish your book. So my name is Tyler Wagner. I'm the founder of AuthorsUnite.com. What I want to talk about in this video is the number one reason why you can't finish your book. And this is what it is. It's you trying to be perfect. It's perfectionist. And that is why you can't finish your book. You know why? Because you're trying to come up with a title before the book's even written. Because you're trying to write an introduction to a book that isn't written yet. See, most people, they go about it in a logical type way where title, subtitle, introduction, body, conclusion, and then the book's finished. That is not the way this process works. I actually say, and it's in another video called Why You Should Write Your Book Backwards, so go check that out on the channel as well. That'll actually teach you the process that we teach our clients how to write their book. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to point out, because then you can become aware to the reason why your book isn't finished. And it's because you're trying to make it so orderly. You're trying to do it so perfectly. And this is a creative path. This is a creative art. Writing a book is not such a consistent or formulated thing. It's more rather a creative process like art. Okay, so once you change your view of what it actually is, that should help you get through this perfectionist mindset that you have of writing your book. So get out there, finish your book. It's time. We all know you want to. So finish it, and I'll talk to you soon.